Well, hi, and welcome back to Lavonne's Kitchen. This is actually Lavonne's new kitchen because we have moved to Orlando, Florida. So we are going to be coming to you with new recipes, new ideas, and we have a new kitchen, which I'm gonna give you a tour of. And then we will start some cooking soon. So send me your recipes. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and we'll have fun in Lavonne's Kitchen. Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour. Remember to send me your recipes, but you can only do that if you hit that subscribe button. I will see you later in the kitchen. Bye.